Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can turn landscape videos into portraits using CapCut. So here I've already added a landscape videos like this, and I want to change this video into a portrait format. So what you need to do is actually pretty easy. You can just find a format in the bottom, click on that, and here you can just choose the portrait format that you want. So there are 3 by 4, 5 by 8, and also 9 by 16. So I'm going to just choose this ones right here, and then you can just go back, and here you can adjust the video by clicking on the clips and zoom in like this. Okay, like so, and now the video has been changed into a for portrait videos. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.